So here is the next video regarding the topic health and hygiene. Health is the sound state. Health is what? The sound state of your physical, mental as well as the social well-being. When we are physically well, socially well, mentally well, then we are healthy. When we are not so, that means we are not socially well, mentally well and physically well, we are suffering from diseases. What are the diseases? Diseases are such state of your when you are not well physically, not feeling well physically, not feeling well mentally or socially. The diseases are again of two kind: communicable disease and non-communicable disease. Communicable disease that can spread from one to another person. Non-communicable disease that cannot spread from one to another person. It is due in the self due to the any internal disorder, as for example cancer. Communicable disease, you can say tuberculosis, or recently we are talking about COVID-19. It is also the communicable disease. So, how these diseases occur in the society or in ourselves? It is due to some or other pathogen. Pathogen is any external factor which invade ourselves and causes the diseases. As for example, when we are talking about tuberculosis, that is the TB, then it is the bacteria. When we are talking about COVID-19, it is virus. What are the vectors? The one term in your book will be the vector. Vectors are those intermediate agents. Those intermediate agents which carry these pathogen when this pathogen cannot directly invade our body. So what does these vector does? It just carry these pathogens to us so that we can suffer from these disease. Okay. As for example, vectors can be housefly. When we are suffering from diarrhea or cholera, it is the housefly, it is the water generated diseases. Then it can be the mosquitoes. Okay, mosquitoes are the vectors in the cases of malaria, you say dengue, etc. So how these communicable disease spread from? It can spread from food and water. Say typhoid is the disease which is generated from the polluted or contaminated water. Physical contact, when we are coming in the physical contact with some person suffering from COVID-19, then we are going to suffer from it. Insect bite, that is in the case of vector. When this vectors like mosquitoes and horsefly is going to bite us, then we will suffer from some disease. Droplet infection, tuberculosis is a droplet infection. That means the droplet coming out through the mucus layer or cough, then we are going to suffer from it. So these are the methods how these communicable diseases are going to spread. So how can we can save ourselves from these communicable disease? It is vaccination. Vaccines are the samples of the dead or low order of those same vectors which are causing these diseases. As for example, when we are talking about the disease, there is the disease known as smallpox. The vaccine of this smallpox is containing the cowpox bacterium. This cowpox bacteria, when enters our body, it creates the immunization. Our immunity is built up through this bacteria so that we can fight against the smallpox bacteria. Okay. Addiction. When we are addicted to something, then we are not feeling well. Physically, we are not well. The addiction can be of either the tobacco, it can be of alcohol, it can be of drug. So when we are going to take these all product for the long time, then we are going to suffer from the depression. And when we are not going to get it, our physically or mentally we are not going to be sound. This is all about the topic disease. But there is one topic which is known to us, that is the first aid. When we meet some or the other accident, then we should give the first aid to the victim. First aid is the immediate help that we can provide to the victim. In the case of burn, in the case of cut, in the case of any wound, when we are playing in the playground, we get hurt, we get wound. So the first aid is applying the antiseptic, washing the wound with the water, applying the antiseptic and putting the bind. Most of the such kind of injuries doesn't require the further medical help, but if required after first aid we can go for the medical help. This is all about the topic health and hygiene. Hope this video will be helpful to us to understand this topic. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.